Have you ever stumbled upon a website that promises you a massive $750 gift card just for completing a few simple surveys? That's exactly what RedReview.info claims to offer. Easy money for easy clicks. But before you get too excited about spending that imaginary reward, let's take a closer look at what's really going on behind the scenes. At first glance, the site looks tempting with flashy banners and countdown timers pushing you to claim your reward now. However, once you start digging, things begin to look suspicious. The biggest red flag appears almost immediately. Instead of staying on RedReview.info, the site redirects you to circlereview.com, a completely different domain. This kind of redirection is rarely a good sign and often points to a network of low-quality or scammy survey pages trying to capture user data. Another concern is that RedReview.info is a brand new domain registered in July 2025, meaning it has no history, no credibility, and no record of paying users. The website also hides behind minimal contact information, just one vague email and no customer support through chat or phone. Adding to that, it uses pressure tactics like limited time rewards and exclusive $750 offers to make users rush without thinking twice. Even the glowing reviews you see displayed on the site turn out to be fake Trustpilot ratings, as there are no actual listings or mentions on Trustpilot or Reddit. After checking all these details, the results are clear. While RedReview.info might look like a quick way to earn, it raises too many warning signs to trust. It's not the kind of site you want to share your personal info with, especially when the only thing you might get in return is spam or worse. Always research before clicking, because online rewards like these often come with hidden costs.